Good morning, welcome special people. I just want to quickly do a quick recap on my last video on Bitcoin and give you an idea of what's going on right now in the Bitcoin market and how you can take advantage of it. There seems to be some opportunities blossoming on Bitcoin, and we may have a good chance to make a lot of money before the end of the year on BTC. So now, for my last video, I explained what made the Bitcoin price crash in the past and what was happening at that moment and what was developing as at that time. Now, so let me just quickly go into that. So this is a chart of BTC, daily chart of BTC. I'll come back to this, but let me quickly just load the template. Okay, sorry about that. Just quickly load the template that most people are all familiar with. Okay, so okay. So I think most people understand this better by clearly saying that when you see the blue places are buy while the red are sell. So let me zoom out just a little bit further again. Okay, so this is a daily chart of it, so you can see of course for several months it was buying, it was buying. If we look at the weekly chart, you can see that this is a weekly chart. It was buying, then sometime around March, April it crashed in price. So if we take that back to the daily, we can see, remember, I've always talked about market structure, which is higher highs for rising markets and lower lows for a falling market. So in this place, you can see it was having high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. It broke the market structure here when it made a low that was lower than the previous low, then did a downward structure, which was down, high, down, high, down, high, down. I mean, yeah, down, high, down. But it's trying to make a new low, but it didn't make a new low yet. And was at the point I recorded in my last video on Bitcoin, it was when it just broke this higher. And I was saying that it was on a downward trend, but it has just broken market structure here again for sell. And I was saying that you can watch that video. I was saying that by breaking market structure here for sell, we may now begin to expect change in direction of the market, but we need to wait until we see a clear structure first of it in the new trend. As of now, I think we can see that structure quite clear. If we use this from this low, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, just made a new high. You can see that right now we're in an upward trend already. So how do you take advantage of this trend? Yes, these highs and these lows are already points of your support and resistance levels. So you can go into smaller time frame. Let's go to 4 hours. This is 4 hours chart. On the 4 hours chart, you can see it even clearly as it's rising, clearly as it's rising up, making the higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. So you can use that for your entries. You can use that for your entries. For example, it just in the 4 hours, you can see that it just this like the recent high, recent low. So if it pulls back anyway towards this resistance, that's an opportunity to buy using the low there as your stop loss. If we go into 1 hour, you even see what I'm talking about a little bit clearer. So this place was a correction. This is the impulse trend, so it's buying. You know, it's buying. This was the larger time frame correction on daily, so it's buying right now. And see, it was buying. It just broke the new high. So when it pulls back a little bit, those are your points for entry. You know, and there's something I just want to point out back to the daily chart. So now this buy that we're looking at here, I don't really see anything stopping me from going to as much as this zone. That is about 57,000. Right now it just broke 50,000 recently. So you have about, I am looking at about 7,000. So if you're using this place as your stop, you know, so it's about a good 1-to-1. So this is a 45 as stop, then 57, 58, so 7.8 as take profit. So this may be a potential trade. You know, the risk compared to return, you have a higher opportunity for profit than to the downside. So that's for that. I hope this video gave you value. If it did, please subscribe to the channel, like, and share with your friends. God bless you. Do have a blessed week.